can imagine, people 50 years ago thought really imaginatively about where industry was going to be heading. But now we're in the 21st century, and so we need to have 21st facilities that are state of the industry that allow our students to really enter the job market ready and prepared to join the workforce.
Having a new building would allow the STEM programs to be able to have the space that we need to house the equipment that we need to be competitive. We do have some equipment. It is all over campus, housed in little closets and cabinets, and it makes it very hard to use them on a daily basis with students.
Every little thing counts, and therefore every advantage that Shoreline Community College can get in order to improve their capability to train essentially what becomes the biotechnology workforce of Washington State is extremely critical.
We have a day program, an evening program, and a weekend program. So we're using the space as much as we possibly can. But in order for us really to expand our offering and to take in more students and increase our enrollments, we really need to have more space.
There is a huge talent development gap in the Puget Sound area, as well as nationally. We have a lot of companies that are high-tech, great family wage, great opportunities, meaningful work that needs to be done, and we need to be able to deliver on that promise both to our students who come and to our employers who are saying we would like to come alongside you and help you create the environment where students can be successful.
So new facilities would really help students here in the biotech program because biotech is so focused on cutting edge technology that whether you get a job or not can really depend on, are you familiar with these specific tools that research lab is using.
We had to trade hoods partway through the class because we didn't have enough biosafety cabinets to use for everyone. So new facility would allow more room for more safety cabinets in cell culture and also more equipment. There's some specialized equipment that takes up a lot of space, and so having permanent places for that equipment to live would actually be very helpful.
Building 2500 was built in the late 1960s, and at that time it was state of the industry. As you can imagine, it's approaching its natural life cycle and is not appropriate for the kind of work that our science and advanced manufacturing programs need. And so we're just so excited that after 50 years, we're going to get new space that's going to be modern, it's going to be state of the industry, that's going to be co-designed with our partners. So we've been working with industry partners along the way to ensure that it aligns with what their expectations are of a trained workforce.
Once we have this building in place, I think that our engineering program will be able to flourish. We have big plans on how we want it to grow and how we are expanding it, and it will allow us to actually do that in an organized way and be able to have the students feel like they really have a place to come and study engineering.
The building itself is going to cost $39.6 million. We're really fortunate that the state is going to come behind us with $36.6 million, which means we'll need to fundraise the remaining $3 million. What that really means for us is that for every dollar we raise, the state's going to compensate us a little over $12. And so it's a really great proposition. So we're looking at about a 2-year window of time from now until about June of 2021. We need to complete our fundraising campaign. We're really looking for people who want to be a part of the long-term experience of Shoreline. We're looking for people who want to engage with us, that want to see that their values, their business model, the things that they care about, we care about.
Biotech or the aerospace industry, the fields are changing so dramatically that the technological changes that face these industries demands that our students get better technology in their training. And so having new facilities, having new resources allows them to better understand the demands of the industries where they're trying to get jobs. And so it really benefits the sustainability of keeping these technologically advanced industries in our state.
A dream takes determination, and it takes a community. It takes a place where you feel welcomed and where you feel supported. That's Shoreline. And with this particular building, it will help us to continue to invest inspire, and innovate.